Okay, we're going to do a video update on PLG. That's the ticker symbol in the US. I think it's also PTM, maybe in Canada, platinum group metals. A lot of people love this thing. I think partially it's a small, it's a $2 stock. Also, it happens to have a low market cap, only about 160 million. I don't know that people are really tracking that. They look at charts, but that does give you some potential for upside because it is relatively small. But I mean, this thing has been a dog for a really long time. Let's look at the daily chart. Yesterday we had a huge day up 20%. And then like look at today, we kept going higher. Like so we were as high as 213, almost made a new monthly high, and then we just failed. We didn't make a new low, which is probably the only positive thing you can say here. But then imagine where we're going to open tomorrow. It'll probably be somewhere like here, right? And so we're probably going to make a swing high. Below this low of 176, it's a swing high, and in all likelihood, we make a new low down here, or at least break this low here. And if you look at this on the longer time frame, or just look at the weekly, this huge upper wick that was caused by the big red candle today means next week we're going to have at best an inside week, right? Where we're probably going to be like, if we just opened, we probably open like somewhere around here, and we'll just kind of bounce around here. Now, we could have always just made a new low that would be below this week's low of 160. But either way, it just happens unlikely that you're going to make a new high above 213. And so you're going to be stuck inside this candle for quite a while, which is probably going to be true for the monthly. And lastly, we'll just quickly look at the long-term charts. Look at this. This is a quarterly chart. Each candle is 1 quarter. This thing has been a dog. It had a small time when it went up. Then you had this quarterly swing high below 320, and it literally never recovered. It just kept going lower. Now it started building a base here, you can see, and we had this move up, but now below this level we have a swing high on the quarterly as well. And just to kind of drive the point home, if you look at annual candles, so each candle here is a year, so you can see that swing high year, 2007, the crisis, it just never recovered. And look at this. This doesn't look incredibly bullish. Like, think about that. We're now right here, kind of underneath this horrible, ugly red candle from 2021 that has a high all the way up at 599. So it's almost like best case scenario, we stay inside this candle and don't make a new low, which seems unlikely. I don't know. It is entirely possible that we'll make a new high, but in this game, you want to go for risk reward, and this just doesn't seem like it is. It's it.